So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to change your shipping address on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you'll have to open any web browser on your computer, and after that you guys will have to search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, the first thing you are going to do is log into your account, and then guys you have to select a particular order that you want to buy. Let's say guys I want to buy this item, then I have to click on this item, and after that it will get me on this page. So guys, after coming on the page, you guys will have to choose the color and the size, etc., the basic things, and after that you guys have to click on this button right here called buy it now. So guys, after clicking on this button, so as you can see guys, my account is currently suspended for some reasons, but after clicking on this button guys, you guys will get on the address page on which you can change your address by clicking on the change button. So guys, after changing your address, you guys have to just click on the save button. It will show you around somewhere on the page, and after that you guys can successfully change your shipping address. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.